Hi, welcome to Pro-formance Unlimited. Today for you in the dyno stand we have our 455 Pontiac engine combination. This thing came out absolutely awesome looking. Go over a little bit about the build spec of this one. We start off with a 455 Pontiac block. Do it 30 over. It's got the 455 crank, I-beam connecting rods with ARP bolts, hybrid tactic pistons. It's got the comp cams, custom ground hydraulic roller camshaft. Edelbrock Proformance RPM aluminum cylinder heads and Proformance RPM intake. This customer happened to choose to go with the MSD Atomic EFI, which is a really nice choice for this model. Really responsive, making some pretty good power and torque. He also chose to go with the March alternator power steering AC pulley system, the Style Tracks. Really nice choice for the vehicle he's going to be putting this into, which will be a 71 FireBird. If you guys have any questions on this specific engine package or any of our other ones, you can visit our website at ProformanceUnlimited.com or give us a call at 1-800-267-3940. Let's take you over to the dyno run.